Hi, this is Kun from ACNTRUCK. I'm back with you again. Today, I'll introduce you a really big guy. Let's go! The concrete pump trunk in front of you is from ZOOMLION 59X-6RZ is designed with efficiency at its core. Its engine is built to deliver maximum power while maintaining minimal fuel consumption. Adopting German Benz chassis 335 kW power ensures perfect completion of every task. Look at this cab. A single bed and air conditioner ensure a comfortable driving experience. One of the standout features of this pump unit is its agile placing boom. The max conveying height can reach 59 meters. It is suitable for a wide range of work environments. The compact design allows this concrete pump trunk to be easily maneuvered into tight spaces, ensuring maximum versatility on the job site. If you are interested, contact me at any time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.